Hi kids, today we are going to draw a very easy bird sitting on the tree and seeing the sun. I'm going to draw in a portrait mode, so keep the book or the paper which you are using vertically like this. Now let's start. First you have to draw like a tree and bring this like this and stop it here. And here draw like a ulta C like this and stop it here and join it like a curvy V, and here join it again like a curvy V and draw a line inside for the mouth of the bird and draw a tongue inside as if the bird is smiling at the sun. And we have got the face of the bird. We'll draw the eyes. Draw two small oval shape like this and draw a small circle inside. Shade the part and leaving the small circle and draw small eyebrows like this. Now we got the face of the bird. Here for the head, draw small structure like this and bring it like this and join this like this. Now we got the face of the bird. Now it's time to draw the wings. You have to draw a curvy line like this and draw threes like this, continuous threes or ulta C's like this, and bring it down and stop it here like this. And from here draw a curvy V and join to the wings, and inside the body draw curvy V or W's like this and join it like this. Now we will draw the next wings. So draw a curvy line like this and draw C's like this and join it to the body of the bird. Now we got the body and the face of the bird. For the legs you have to draw three lines like this and draw U's connecting these lines. Now we got the full bird. Now we will draw the tree. So here you have to draw a curve like this, and from this wing you have to draw another curve like this, and you have to stop it here. On the top you have to draw curvy V's like this for the leaf of the tree. You can draw many curvy V's like this. It's not necessary that you have to draw only little. If you draw many, it will look very nice. So like this. And now here from this leg, I'll just move this bit. From this leg draw on the branch of the tree and draw two leaves here, and here also draw the branch like this and bring this branch down like this. See, it should be a wiggly line. The tree branch will look wiggly. And here you have to draw leaves like this. And here at this side, the bottom, here one leaf, and here in the bottom you have to draw three leaves. Big leaves, not the small one. So like this. Now we have finished with this part. Now here we have to draw the sun. So you have to draw a circle. See, you can draw the circle. I'm just turning the book just for my convenience. You can use any bangle or any circle shape, any a small circle shape for drawing the sun. If you can do it with your hands, it's well and good. You can do it with your hands. And here you have to draw curvy V's or pointed V's is also fine for the rays of the sun. like this. And now here draw eyes and leave a small circle and color the rest of the part like this, and draw a mouth like this. So we have finished with our drawing. It's time to outline and color the picture. You can use crayons or you can use color pencils or brush pens or oil pencil. Anything is fine, whichever you feel very comfortable to do it. I've finished with my coloring. I have given blue, light blue and dark blue shade for the bird, and for the neck I have given orange, and for the tongue I have given red, and for the legs and all I have given light orange or peach color. Anything is fine. And for the sun I have given yellow, and outer shade I have given little orange shade. And for the trunk I have given first light brown, and I have put lines, small lines with a dark brown. You can just give, if you don't have dark brown, just give simply light brown, that is normal brown, that is enough. And for the leaves I have given light green and dark green lines. And this background coloring of the sky is optional. If you can do it, or else no need to do it, you can simply leave it white. So our easy bird drawing is done. Thank you kids. Bye bye kids.